Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Today we got a home chef 4-meal for 2 people package. So here we have almond crusted mahi with a remoulade. We have pork tenderloin, a apricot balsamic glazed pork medallions. We have steak gnocchi gratin and everything you need for it. And some sheet pan cordon bleu chicken and everything you need for that. So you have 4 complete meals for 2 people. And tonight, I guess we're having the mahi. So let's get started. Each meal kit comes with the recipe guide on how to make it and all the prepackaged individual prepared food. So it tells you how long it is going to take to prep and cook. It tells you the difficulty level. It has how many days you should cook it within and the spicy level. It also gives you some ingredients that you need to have on hand. So pepper, cooking spray, olive oil, salt, a nonstick pan, a baking sheet, and a mixing bowl with a plate. So it has the ingredient list here: parsley, mayonnaise, roasted sliced almonds, panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, red potatoes, Dijon mustard, lemon, green beans. And we're going to customize this. Now, as you can see, everything is portioned out then. So you've got your breadcrumbs, your fresh parsley, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, your cheese, your almonds, green beans, potatoes, a lemon, and your fish. So the first thing you want to do is start with step 1. So you're going to start with your vegetables. We're going to wash these potatoes and we're going to dice them into 1-inch pieces. We're going to place the potatoes on a baking sheet and toss with some olive oil and salt on a single layer. So the potatoes are diced up. We're going to add some of this extra virgin golden olive oil, and we just need 2 teaspoons on here. Sprinkle a little salt. Sprinkle a little salt. Toss them around a little bit. Make sure they're just in one thin layer. We're going to wait till our oven's at 425, and then we're going to put these in. And we're going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. The potatoes will finish cooking in a later step. So step 2 is to prepare the ingredients and make the remoulade. So we're going to finely chop our almonds, mince our parsley, and half our lemon for juice. Always make sure that you include your chef supervisor here, my little sous chef. She stays way over there where we don't work on the counter, but she has to supervise everything. So we have our almonds finely chopped. I have this kitchen helper over here, my sous chef number 1, but this is sous chef number 2 supervising. Comment anything you want down below. We don't use that part of the counter. I've heard it all before. She's a good helper. She knows to stay back. Got our parsley minced up. Next, you're going to half this lemon and you're going to juice half of it. So we got half in here. We're going to juice this half. Ooh, look at all that juice. And the other half you're going to cut into 4s. Just like that. So now in a mixing bowl, you're going to combine the mayonnaise, mustard, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of parsley. The rest is for garnish. All right, oven's up to temp. 10 to 12 minutes for the potatoes. So we're going to put our 3 mayonnaise packets in this bowl. Mayonnaise in. Now we're going to add our Dijon mustard. 2 teaspoons of your lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of parsley. Mix this up and set it aside. Moving right along to step number 3, we're going to trim the green beans. And you can do that just with a pair of kitchen shears. So we have those all ready to go in. Once the potatoes have cooked 10 to 12 minutes, we're going to put these on the pan. But let's move on to the next step. Step 4 is to prepare the panko and almonds on a plate. So we're going to dump these 2 things of panko and the almonds right on this plate. Got the panko, we're going to add the almonds. And we're going to mix that all together. We're going to pull the potatoes out. And we're gonna get a spatula and we're gonna push the potatoes on a single layer, but over to one side so we can add the green beans on a single layer to the other side. So we have the potatoes pushed to one side. We're gonna add our green beans to the other side. Put them like in a single layer. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to that with some salt and pepper.
Just on the green beans?
Yep, sprinkle some olive oil right on the green beans. All right, that's good. And add some salt and pepper over the top.
Currently, Alexis is considered a witness. There is something suspicious about it.
That's good.
Alexis was charged as an accessory to murder after her boyfriend shot and killed one of his friends in the vehicle she was driving.
And then we're going to put those back in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. There we go. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes. You're going to take the mahi and cut it in half. And we're going to set it on a paper towel because we're going to pat it dry then. So we're just going to pat that dry.
This interview clearly showcased the responses suspects make when dealing with discomfort. We can physically
and then we're going to bread it on both sides.
Certain emotions Alexis was feeling. Her body language makes sense. She felt uncomfortable while discussing.
So we're going to get our pan heating with 2 tablespoons of oil. Once your oil is good and hot, you're going to go ahead and add in your mahi. All right, so that's good now. We're going to put that in. We're going to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes per side till the internal temperature is 145 degrees. 3 minutes, we're going to give them a flip, cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes. All right, another 3 to 4 minutes. We're just going to temp the inside and the middle fattest part. We're at 154, so that is perfect. That fish is done. We're going to pull that off. The green beans and potatoes are done. Now we're just going to plate it up. Make it a little fancy, put a little bit of that remoulade on the bottom. Add some cheese right over the green beans. Put your lemon on the side. Parsley on top of the potatoes. A little bit of balsamic glaze. And there you have your almond crusted mahi with remoulade. Look at that. Just a minute, folks. Forgot, you're supposed to put a little bit of the remoulade on top of the fish. Now, you've got it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. We have 3 more meals to do of this home chef, so we'll be doing them throughout the week, and I'll be posting them. Let me know your thoughts on how you feel about food service deliveries like this and what your favorite is. Appreciate every one of you. Thanks, y'all. Bye.